Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to install a Popsocket on your phone. Before installing the Popsocket, it is necessary to degrease and clean the phone body or case where you want to stick the Popsocket. Alcohol wipes that manufacturers put together with tempered glass or film will do. A lint-free cloth soaked in alcohol will also work. Wait for the remaining moisture to evaporate or remove the moisture with a lint-free cloth. Remove the sticker that covers the adhesive backing of the Popsocket. Place the Popsocket on the phone body or case. Press the accessory with your fingers, but without applying excessive force. Finally, make sure that the Popsocket is glued evenly and that the attachment looks secure. If your Popsocket does not attach, watch the following video, link in the description. That's all for today. Please like the video if it was helpful and subscribe to my channel. Bye!